Bitcoin price broke this head and shoulders pattern and the rising wedge after the yesterday video and barely missed the target of this head and shoulder pattern. Before discussing further, please like this video right now, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell notification. Alright, hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. Yesterday we were discussing this head and shoulder and rising wedge pattern, and I told you that I will be shorting this market if it breaks down, and I shorted this market and was waiting for this 32.8k level. Let me bring the price prediction like this, and we had a target of around 32.8k, and market reversed from exactly the 33k, which is also support resistance area. If you can see here, this is also a nice support resistance area, but I was aiming for 32.8k range, and after that price reversed, and now it is on the back of this neckline of this head and shoulders, only 1 hour. So now the question is what I am doing right now. Well, I closed some of my position right here at this price, and I'm still in the short position, and I believe that market has lost its momentum. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to the clean daily chart, as you can see, market is trading in a range. The upper range is 41k, the bottom of the range is 29k, and we are in a downtrend on the daily chart. But if you pay attention that within this range, let's see, within this 12k range, we have a minor range as well, like here of around 5k range. So the price is stuck in this 5k range as well, and Bitcoin market is waiting for something huge right now. So the price is basically stuck in a very narrow range, and we are not getting a follow through that we used to see in the Bitcoin chart. So that's why we are missing a target a little bit here and there, because market is in a very tight range of around 5k in the daily chart. So what's my game plan for this trade is that this is the level I'm looking, this head level, which is around 32.3k. If price breaks this, then I'll be out from the trade, and my bias for this short trend will be over for the time being. And after breaking this 34.3k level, I'll reassess my market condition and update you guys. For the time being, I'm still holding this short position because I can see that this is the resistance area and price might reverse from here and hit the target. Let's see what happens. If you guys like this analysis, please comment below and let me know, and also like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.